In this video, I am about to show you step by step how you can create viral faceless video with the help of Fliki AI. Fliki is one of the best AI video generator available in the internet, and people are making videos and going viral on YouTube video using this tool. And after watching this video, you'll be able to do the same. But first, if you haven't signed up for Fliki yet, make sure to use the first link which is given in the video description. This is an affiliate link which will provide you the latest discounts and offers of this software. It will take you to this page. Here click on the Start for Free option and log in. This is the dashboard of Fliki. Now here, click on the New File option. Fliki offer video, audio and designs option. We will try all three of them one by one. So let's proceed with the video first. Here, you have to fill in the name for your file. Next select the language, dialect, aspect ratio, and then hit submit. Next, on this page, you have to select how you want to create your video. You can create it with the help of ideas, prompt, comma, scripts, blog, PPT, tweets, and more. Let's proceed with the ideas prompt. Then here fill in the idea prompt that you have to implement in your video. Next you have to select the maximum duration for your video. You can create videos from 30 seconds to 3 hours. For this tutorial, we'll make it short, so let's select 1 minute. Alright, next you have to select whether you want to include stock videos or images, templates or AI media for your created video. We will choose the stock media videos. And then click on the Submit button. This is the editor for your video creation. On the left side you will see all the scenes and customization options. Let's analyze and understand these features one by one. Firstly, we have the background audio. The auto pick option automatically selects the audio that will sync with your video. By clicking on this option, you can hide this scene from your editor. To delete the scene, click on this delete icon. The plus icon here allows you to add a new scene in your video. To edit any scene, simply click on the scene itself. You can customize your text from this box. And you can also edit and download your voiceover from this download button. If you want to change the audio of your voiceover, simply click on this button. It will open a list of all the voices offered by Fliki. Now you can simply choose your desired voice and then click on the select button. On the right side you can control the volume and speed of your voiceover. Then you can also enable or disable subtitles in your video. Then here are a list of options for customizations like the alignment settings, the font style, the font size, display style, background colors, font colors, highlighting, etc. You can also set up the in and out animations for the subtitles. You can also apply this setting for all the scenes by clicking on this option. And then click Apply. Now on the left side click on the Scene 1 option. Here, you will get multiple customization options related to text, media, picture-in-picture, avatar, shapes and audios. Now let's get further in the video. Click on the Media button. From here you can change the height and width of the media in the video. You can also set up the alignment settings, border radius, opacity from here. And lastly you can set the animation settings for the in and out of the video as well. Next let's analyze the avatar option. So click on the avatar button. Once you click on this button you will see an avatar scene will automatically be added on the left side of your editor. Click on this avatar. This window will open. From here you can select the avatar of your choice for the video. There are stock avatars, or you can also upload your avatar. And you can also generate your avatar yourself. You simply have to give instructions on how you want your avatar to look. And then click on the Generate button. Within a minute or two an avatar will be created. You can also regenerate your avatar by clicking on this option. For this video we do not need an avatar, so let's delete this scene. Click on the Delete option, and then hit the Delete button. Just like you did in the first scene, you can also customize all the settings and scenes as per your specifications. Simply play around the settings until you create a video that suits your needs. Now that the video is created, let's proceed for the in the video. Click on the Settings option. Here you can customize the gap between your video. Let's set it up for 0.2. Next you can also customize the ratio of your video. We will keep it at landscape. You can check in or check out these transition and fade out settings for your video. Now click on the Save button. Alright, now click on the Magic Create option. It will open a list of options that you can create using AI, like ideas, script, blogs, PPT, etc. Now that we are all set, click on the Download option. Then select the resolution and the format in which your video will be downloaded. Then click on the Start Export button. Here, click on the Start button. Finally, click on the Download File option. And your file will be downloaded. And you're done. Let's have a look to the video that we have created.
Exploring the boundless horizons of a career in information technology. Imagine waking up every day to a world where your work fuels the future. The IT field offers just that. From programming to cybersecurity, the spectrum of opportunities is vast. Every industry, from healthcare to finance, relies on IT. With technology evolving, the demand for skilled IT professionals only grows. This means job security and continuous learning are guaranteed. Consider the diversity of roles: data analysts, network engineers, software developers, and more. There's a niche for every passion. Salaries in IT are as attractive as the work itself. With experience and expertise, financial rewards significantly increase. Moreover, the IT field champions flexibility. Remote work isn't just possible, it's becoming the norm. Embark on a journey in IT and contribute to shaping the digital landscape of tomorrow. Your future starts here.
Now, let's proceed with the audio. Here, you have to fill in the name for your file. Next, select the language and dialect. And here select how you want to start creating your file. Let's choose the script. And then hit Submit. Next, on this page, you simply have to paste the script on the text area. You can also summarize your script by clicking on this Summarize option. So click on the Summarize option. And then simply select the duration. You can set up these duration up to 15 minutes. But for this tutorial we'll keep it short. So select 30 seconds. Now simply click on the Submit button. And within seconds the audio will be generated. Again, it will take you to the editor, from where you have to customize your scenes accordingly. Simply follow the steps as we did in the video creating part in this tutorial. Play around with the settings and customize an audio that suits your needs. Next, click on the Settings option. Now set the gap between the scenes, we will set it at 0.2. And then click on the Save button. Alright, now that we are done, click on the Download button. Then select the format type and hit the Export button. And then click on the Download File button. Your audio is successfully downloaded. Let's get back to our dashboard. Moving further in the video, lastly we have to create a design using Fliki. So click on the New File button. And then click on the Design option. Now simply give a name to your file. And then click on the Submit button. First of all, let's select the expectation for our design. So click on the Settings option. Here, select Aspect Ratio, we will set it at square. And then click on the Save button. Next we have to add media, so click on the first scene and choose the Media option. It will open up your stock library. You can choose medias from a huge number of stock images. You can also generate the media of your choice using the Generate option. Simply click on the Generate option and select the effect. Once you are done, fill in the instruction for your desired media. Now the media is created and it is suitable for the design. So click on the Use this art option. We have added the media along with a stock image and a layout. Now let's input the text. Click on the text box and paste your text. Use the right panel to edit the text and customize its fonts, sizes, or color settings according to your specification. This is the final design that we have created. Now, just like did previously, click on the Downloads option. Select the format type and click on the Export button. Finally, click on the Download File option. Now let's get back to the dashboard. You can see all the contents that you have created are appearing here. On the left top, you'll see options like Files and Account. Now click on the Account option. It will take you to this page where you will get various options related to your account. Let's understand these features one by one. First and foremost, we have the Credits option. The credits feature allows users to purchase additional credits to access premium features and enhance their content creation experience. Credits serve as a virtual currency. You can keep a track of your credit from here and analyze how you spend your credits in a day-wise manner. Next up, we have the rewards option. Fliki typically reward users for referring friends and writing reviews on social media platform for it. All you have to do is connect your social media platform with Fliki from here, then take a screenshot of your review or copy the link to it. And next click on the Start Submitting option. Now simply upload the image or paste the link to your review. And you're good to go. Upon verification, you will receive your rewards within 3 days of span. Next, you have the profile option. From here you can fill in your basic details like your email, name, website URL, etc. And you can also control your email notification settings from here. You can also reset your account by clicking on this Reset Account Data button. The Teams option of Fliki offers you to create a team over the network of Fliki and connect your team members through it. The main advantage of this feature is that you can pay for your team from a single account and work together. Next is the voice cloning option. This option allows you to clone the voice of a particular person by simply uploading their voice. The affiliates in Fliki allows individuals or organizations to earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. Affiliates receives a commission based on the number of referrals they generate or the actions taken by the referred users, such as purchasing a subscription. Simply click on the Join Program option. Now, fill in the details. And hit the Sign Up button. This message will be displayed on your screen requesting for verification of email. Now, simply open your email and click on the Verify It. And you're good to go. The trash option acts as a recycle bin. Now, let's get back to the dashboard. Lastly, let's discuss the upgradation plans of Fliki. Click on the Upgrade button on top. Fliki AI offers 3 subscription plans tailored to suit different needs and budgets. The basic plan provides essential features for individuals and small businesses looking to create quality content efficiently. The standard plan includes additional tools and functionalities, ideal for growing businesses and content creators. The premium plan offers the most comprehensive suite of features, including advanced AI-powered suggestions, priority support, and enhanced collaboration tools, making it suitable for large enterprises. Fliki AI ensures that users can choose the plan that best fits their requirements and budget. That's it for the video. Fliki AI is your go-to platform for effortless and engaging content creation. With its user-friendly interface and flexible subscription plans, you can take your creativity to the next level. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks related to the video, please drop them in the comments section. We love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.